Hello guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to fix verification code not received in REDnote. Now, when logging in REDnote, it's actually going to ask you for your phone number and it will send you a PIN to confirm your identity and to confirm your login. Some people have been experiencing issues wherein they are not able to receive their codes. Now, the only way to be able to fix this, because there is no official way to be able to fix this in REDnote itself, is to try and refresh your SIM card. So sometimes your SIM card might have a potential region restrictions. So what you could do is you could remove your SIM card and insert it again, and you could even try restarting your device. You could also try turning on and off your data or your SIM card itself, disabling it and then enabling it, because that is possible in some devices on the phone, and you could even do the airplane mode method. In the app itself, what you could just do is you could try to clear the cache or reinstall our REDnote over here, and you could try again. Maybe you could also try a different SIM card if the current SIM card that you're using is not receiving the code. Also, ensure that when you're entering your number over here, ensure that you have selected the proper country code that you are using. If you don't know what your country code is, simply search in Google your country and then put the number or country number code alongside that, and you will be able to see what country code is for your phone number. But after that, if you ensure that the country code is correct, you will then, or you should be able to receive your code without issues. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.